Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to create a poll on Facebook Messenger. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. Facebook Messenger allows you to create polls very easily inside the app. Watch this full video to learn how to create polls on Facebook Messenger. Polls can be created only in group chats, not individual conversations. To begin, open the Messenger app on your phone. Then open the group chat, where you want to create a poll. Tap on the plus icon, on the left bottom part of your phone screen. It's beside the camera icon. Now tap on the poll icon from the resulting menu. Type your poll question. And then add options. When you begin to type the first option, you will see Add Option below, to add more options to your poll. Add many options as you like. And then, tap the Create Poll button below. That's it. Your poll has been created. Now people can tap on it, and choose the option they like. You will be notified when people in the group vote, or even change their answer. You can also add more options if you want. For this, tap on the poll and type in the Add Option section. And tap on Submit. The option is added on your poll. So that's all the things you need to know about creating polls on Facebook Messenger. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.